Hello everybody, this day I'm going to show you how to correctly torque this caliper down. So what happened is a bolt broke and I had to split it so the machine shop would be able to get it out. And what happened is these bolts are very rare. I luckily had this one and I have the nut on the back because the threads are kinda damaged. So just to be sure, I have put this nut on. It's a strong bolt before you complain about brake stuff and everything else. And let's start. First of all, you will need a torque wrench. Mine is a Brie tool, but I think that brand doesn't really matter. Just don't get the cheap stuff you can get. Then you will need a 14 millimeter. And this is it. First of all, you want to torque this down to 10 Newton meters, then to 12, and then to 24.5. This is what the manual doesn't say anything. I found the torque spec by doing a special research. So take it, adjust your torque wrench, and then tighten it down. You can see it clicked. Now wait, no, I put it on. It clicked again. You see this one is loose for some reason. And it clicked again. So I'm going to do the last one. It clicked too. And next setting you want to do is 12. So in my case it's adjusted like this. I'm pulling this out. This is a Brie tool. So pull it out, find your setting. You want now 10 lb feet, 12, sorry. Now I'm at 10, turn it around like this. Now I'm at 12, approximately. This hasn't to be that accurate, the last one has to be accurate. So I'm going to change my socket because it's a different size one. Change it. Take it. You want to go like this, outside first, and then the inside. It's not good to make this and this. So because you won't be able to tighten it evenly. Take it. It clicked. Wait. Clicked too. I'm going to change the socket now. And this one will click too. So sure. Now you want to set your torque wrench at 24.5, and it's like this. You can see the lb feet here, and I want to get it until here, the second dot. Now you are 22, a few more turns and you're 24. Just a tip, don't do it by feeling. Brake system are very important for you. You don't want this to come loose and your caliper split by itself. you're going to have no brakes, and worst case you are going to injure someone else or yourself. Now put it on, torque it down. That's pretty tight, I have to admit. Do this one too. Done. Do this one too. Would be easier to torque down if installed in the car, because you don't have to hold it down. Chain socket. Take your torque wrench. I would also suggest you repainting the caliper, grinding it down and painting it, so the rust will stop, and it's going to last longer. Take this. If you don't have any problems with your bolts, you don't have to do this annoying setup. And I think that some guys don't like it, but okay. It's impossible to find a stock caliper, and we prefer it than buying a Chinese-made one or a rebuilt one that got rebuilt by someone I don't know with probably $5 parts. I rebuilt it myself and spent $40 for both. And I used original caliper rebuild kits. So I'm on the safe side. Then check it down. Check it. Double click it for a last time, so you're sure it's okay. One, two, three, and wait. First of all, thanks for watching. I hope that this was helpful. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, if you want, share, and rebuild videos coming soon on the other caliper. Probably repaint video too. Wish you a nice day, and thanks for watching. Bye.